Suzuki just dropped a bomb on the off-road world. Forget everything you thought you knew about displacement limits and dirt bikes. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, and today we're breaking down the absolutely insane 2027 Suzuki RM-Z 1050. Yes, you heard that correctly. Over 1,000 cubic centimeters of fury built for the dirt. Let's see if bigger really is better. Design. The RM-Z 1050 is a beast, but Suzuki has kept it surprisingly trim. The chassis uses a hybrid aluminum and carbon fiber construction that keeps the weight just under 260 pounds. The bodywork is bold and muscular, finished in Suzuki's championship yellow with aggressive graphics. The seat is narrow where it counts for control, but wide enough for comfort on longer rides. The radiators are massive, positioned for maximum airflow, and the overall proportions are surprisingly balanced for such a big-bore machine. Performance. This is where things get wild. The liquid-cooled, fuel-injected 1050cc parallel twin engine pumps out a staggering 95 horsepower with torque that can lift the front wheel in almost any gear. Suzuki has incorporated advanced engine mapping with 5 selectable power modes to tame this monster. The 6-speed transmission is reinforced to handle the output, and the slipper clutch is essential for aggressive downshifting. This isn't your typical motocross bike. It's a big-bore enduro weapon designed for wide-open desert racing and extreme terrain. Technology. The technology list is extensive. Fully active suspension adjusts on the fly based on terrain input. The digital dash offers GPS tracking, lap timing, and performance metrics. Traction control, launch control, and cornering ABS all come standard. There's even smartphone integration for tuning and data logging. Suzuki has also included quick change mapping via handlebar controls, letting you adjust everything without stopping. Conclusion. The 2027 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 redefines what's possible in off-road performance. Is this the future of extreme enduro, or is it too much of a good thing? We want to hear your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, give it a like and share it with your riding crew. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews and hit that bell icon for all our latest content. Thanks for watching, and ride safe out there.